Hi friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. Class 23, title of this class is Types of Proportion. There are there are three types of proportion. Number one, direct proportion. Number two, indirect proportion. Number three, partitive proportion. First one, direct proportion. We define that if one quantity in a ratio if one quantity in a ratio increases, then the other quantity also increases at the same rate and vice versa. It is the definition of direct proportion. If one quantity in a ratio increases, then the other quantity also increases at the same rate and vice versa. Actually, if it be first quantity, if it increase, this implies b another quantity, this also increase. If a decrease, then b also decrease. It means uh, direct proportion. Sometimes we denote it by a direct proportion to b. We write like this. Example 1, cost of 5 books is equal to $20. Then find the cost of 8 books. Here we have two quantity. One, A is equal to cost, B is equal to books. Here we write like this: A, B, or cost, books, How many books? 5 books. 5 books is $20. 5 books, $20. 8 books, how much? It is unknown. Now we want to find the value of x. X is equal to, we use cross multiplication by this, like this. The number which is opposite x come to the denominator, and these two number multiply and write on the numerator. We can simplify this fraction. 20 by 1, 5 divided by 5, 1, 20 divided by 5, 4. 4 multiplied by 8. X is equal to 4 times 8 is equal to $32. $32 is the cost of 8 books. 8 books we can buy by $32. Second example, a man irons 2 shirts in 10 minutes. How many shirts can he iron in 1 hour? Actually, we have shirts and times. How many shirts? 2 shirts in 10 minutes. Here 1 hour, we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 60 minutes, and here the number of shirts which he can iron is unknown. Now if we want to find the value of x is equal to 10 came to the denominator, and 2 multiplied by 6, and we write on top of 10. 2 multiplied by 60. 60 can convert by 0, cancel by 0. 2 multiplied by 6, 2 multiplied by 6. It is equal to 12. Actually, in 60 minutes, he can iron 12 shirts. 12 shirts.